whakataya tu le malu le awhia, ma se awhai mo ko tatu malu le awhia. Sungai from Sino. We'll just give all our contestants a round of applause once again. I wasn't supposed to speak tonight, but because our head judges had to leave urgently, so the other judges have agreed that I speak. But anyway, we're all here because we want to hear the results. But firstly, just on behalf of all the judges and Tomasi not here, and just want to say thank you. Well done to all the students from the various universities, and well done also to you guys here for supporting them. Because as we all know, for those who have been through university life, it's not an easy feat, and it's important that we support each other, and that's very important for us. But anyway, so before I even, I'm going to ask Mo to come and announce our first winners for the different various categories. Thank you.
Well done, guys. Keep up the great work. And yeah, it's great to see our culture being promoted in a positive light. So keep on, make sure that it continues through to your studies as well. So yeah. So the results are for Mufale, first place, AUT. University of Auckland. So again, the second place for Mufale was Wasa, University of Auckland. And first place was AUT. The Ulfafo category, second place, Victoria, and the first place for Ulfafo is University of Auckland. Second place, Wasa, University of Auckland. And first place, AUT. Sasa, second place, University of Auckland. First place for Sasa is AUT. Bati, second place, Victoria University. First place for Fatal Bati, AUT. For Tawaluma, second place, Victoria. First place, Wasa. Jamie, second place, Victoria. First place, Waikato. Besileaso, second place, Victoria. Besileaso, first place, AUT. please.
Alright, and Tulangalua, that's Victoria. Check this out. And the overall winners are AUT. Well done, guys. Thank you very much. Ela conhece o ele suma ele minha farinha talo essa foi tudo lá mai a farinha e matar esse talo não matou mais lá matou se vai no Europa e assim matou na Ucrânia matou farinha ele nem confia matinha mais da ofio mas para watu no wanga faria ina ye teta ina matou uma to efo ya tu matou aina ye bawe matou mania mai da ofio afiona famani mai foi e matua papel aina sa papel passa mai nei ko afiona e fantastic mai ya para o samo o afiona ma sa mai ni mamza ona Yesu. Amen.